This is the coolest like STEM building kit that Tecti sent me, and we were so excited. So this kit says that it's for age, somewhere it says 12 and up. My 11-year-old is obsessed. He built this one yesterday, and he's going to change it out and build a new one today because my 3-year-old, no, he's 4 now, my 4-year-old loves to play with them. This is what he built. Like, how cool is this? So it comes with a whole bunch, I don't even know how many pieces, a whole bunch of pieces that are like the twos. This is what the two piece looks like, and he's using all the single ones. But let's see if I can do this one-handed. But you use this key and you kind of stick it in there. I don't know if it's called a key. You use this wooden dowel and you leverage it out. I don't know if I can do it with one hand, but this is how you pop the pieces off with this thing, and it's pretty easy, not one-handed apparently, but they pop off and they click together. Let's see if I can show you how this clicks together. So you have these hinges on this side, and then on all the pieces you have the hinges on that side. So you just line them up and they click into place. It is the coolest thing. There's only one set of orange ones, and this is like the key. So some of the designs, like you can pop it in there and it'll keep it in place. And these things snap together like this. My 4-year-old wanted to try so hard to help, but he couldn't. He could snap like not these two pieces, but if I had all of these pieces done, then he could snap like the one piece on. Here's the directions. They make it really easy. My 11-year-old did not need any help. I started out by making this one, and it was really easy. So there are no pink ones, but the pinks are the singles, and then the teal ones in the diagram are the two-piece hinge. So we haven't done, I did this one. We have not done this one because he went straight over and did this one. This is the part where he needed a little bit of help, like just understanding the picture. But once I explained the picture to him, then he understood and he did the rest all by himself. And he is excited because today he is going to try one of the advanced ones. But there's so many different ways that you can build these things, and we absolutely love it. I might even go out and get another set just so we have some more to build with because this thing is so cool.